Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Robinhood asking for a login verification code but the text message never arrives on your phone? Here are the two iPhone settings almost always causing it, and both of them are fixed in under 30 seconds. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. If you see a focus or do not disturb icon that is lit up, it looks like a moon or a colored icon. Tap on it to turn it off. Then, Robinhood sends verification codes from automated short numbers, and focus mode silently blocks those ticks. After turning focus mode off, go to your settings, then search for phone. Next, scroll down to silence unknown callers and tap it to turn it off completely. Robinhood's verification codes come from automated numbers that your iPhone classifies as unknown and filters out. Now, go back to the login screen and then tap Resend code. Wait a full 60 seconds before expecting anything. If the text still does not arrive, look for an option to use your email or an authenticator app instead. Robinhood supports authentication app codes through Google Authenticator or Authority if texts keep failing. So, all you gotta do is go to your control center, turn off focus mode, settings, phone, silence unknown callers, resend or switch to email or authenticator. Robinhood code will arrive, and that's it. Subscribe.